everybody, welcome back to Science Gap. Today we are going to do Puffy Slime. So what you need is a cup of glue, 3 cups of shaving cream, a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of saline solution, 1 or 2 teaspoons of food coloring, 1 or 2 teaspoons of glitter, and a spatula and a kneading bowl. So let's go to it. Okay, we're gonna make the puffy slime. First, get the glue and pour it. Let's use the spatula to scrape it out. Okay. Then we get the food coloring, pour it in there, and get the glitter, pour it in there. Then you stir until it's all mixed in. Okay, looks all mixed in. Then we add the baking soda, then the saline solution, and then the shaving cream. Which unfortunately takes forever to get out. So might have to get the spatula to scoop out the shaving cream. Ugh. Okay, then we mix for about 1 minute. After you stir it, start a 3-minute timer. Then after that, we're going to come and see if we can play with it. Okay, let's go. Well, looks like it's up. Let's play. Pro tip to get a few drops on your hand of the saline solution to avoid the stickiness. Okay. It's just like shaving cream. It's really cool. I hope you like the puffy slime. Bye, see you next time.